Replacing the first generation of the RX-7, the FC version was manufactured between 1985 and 1992, was powered by a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter Wankel rotary engine positioned behind the front axle, even though a turbocharged solution was made available later on. The standard powertrain developed 146 horsepower and 135 pound-feet of torque, with the Turbo 1 upped the performance to 185 horsepower and 180.7 pound-feet of torque. Steering was improved thanks to the rack and pinion systems, while disc brakes became standard. Engines: 2 gasolines, that is engine 2.4 rotary, 2.4 rotary turbo. Technical specs: MAZDA RX7 2.4 rotary, MAZDA RX7 2.4 rotary. Engine specs is 2.4 rotary. So cylinders, that is R2. Displacement 2354 cm3. Power is 108 kW and 146 horsepower. Torque is 135 lb. Fuel system: electronic fuel injection. Performance spec: top speed is 209 km/h.